Students, we all are dependent on our memory, right? But memory can trick us too. Forgetfulness is very common, but this sometimes puts you in a tight spot. Imagine yourself to be forgetting a part of your life completely. What will happen to you? Will you be confused just like Bipin Chaudhary in the story Bipin Chaudhary's Lapse of Memory? Now let's understand next part of the story. Bipin Babu went towards his car that was parked in Bertram Street nearby Lighthouse Cinema. As he sat in the car, he told his driver Sitaram to drive by the Ganga river. While the driver drove up the Strand Road, Bipin Babu felt immense regret and thought why he was giving so much importance to that man. Why was he thinking about that man? He knew he had never been to Ranchi and he was sure about it. He knew it was impossible for him to forget about such an important time of his life which took place only 6 or 7 years ago. He had an excellent memory. Bipin Babu's head reeled, means he was shocked and confused. Will it be appropriate to say that Bipin Babu was losing his mind? It was quite impossible to believe because he worked at a big firm and he worked daily. He had a responsible job. Even if there was something not right, he never realized that there was something major going on with him. On that particular day, he spoke for half an hour at an important meeting. He was so good, so efficient, but it was also true that the man knew a lot about Bipin Babu and even some personal details like his life, wife's death, bag of books, brother's death in mental hospital. The man was right about everything except the fact that Bipin had been to Ranchi. He began feeling he had something wrong with his brain. Bipin Babu was sure that he was in Kanpur at the puja in 58. He was in Kanpur. He went to Kanpur to celebrate puja in 58 and he stayed at his friend's house, Haridas Bagchi's house. He thought to write to Haridas Bagchi and ask, but no, there was no way of writing to Haridas. Bipin Babu suddenly remembered that Haridas had left with his wife to Japan some weeks ago and Bipin Babu didn't have his address. Then Bipin Babu thought that there was no need of proof because he was quite sure that he had never been to Ranchi and there was no doubt about it. So tomorrow we will read next part of the story. Have a nice day.